Hello, if you've got yourself a cassette deck, be it one of the modern ones like an Ion or a Pile or the teac, or if you've got yourself a vintage one, you've got a problem that most of the time you're going to want to play it back through an amplifier and you don't know how to connect it up. Well, if you've got a vintage amplifier like this one, it's easy. I'll show you. This amplifier was around when cassette decks and things were still available, and so on the back of it there are these sockets. Now these sockets are labelled up, and as you can see here, these ones are quite interesting. You've got tape 1 and tape 2, input and output. What that means is when properly plugged in, everything you plug into here to select to play will come out on the tape output, and you can record it. Literally dial it up and hit record, off you go. On your deck you will almost certainly have some sockets that look like this, line in and line out. They're the ones you want. All you need is 2 leads like this. All you've got to do is plug this into there, this into there, this into there, and this into there. And hey presto, you're now up and running. Simple. In case you didn't quite see that, what it is the tape output on the amplifier. It's marked tape 1 out left and right, and you've got on there tape 1 in left and right, or input line in. Whatever it says on there, if it says the word in, that's the one that comes from the line out, or the tape out from the tape deck. And the other one, the output from the amplifier, goes to the record in, or the line in, on the tape deck. The words be the same but different, so look and see what you've got. But they'll all have the word in and out in there somewhere. And that's the one you connect to. And because you've actually got a nice simple recorder and a nice simple amplifier, all that happens is when you've got your record player playing and you've got it selected, that will be being fed to your recorder whether you're recording it or not. Now, all you need to do is select record on the recorder to be able to actually do it. That's the beauty of the vintage equipment that had nice and simple sockets on it, like record player and tape and all the other bits that you used to have in those days. And they don't have them nowadays, but when you've got one, it's magic, absolutely magic, so enjoy. While I'm at it, there's still a couple of companies out there that are still making amplifiers and things which are compatible with the old analog type equipment. So here you've got this Yamaha, and you can see on here it's got a phono input, because you can see it on the display. But when you look around the back, you can see it's got phono and 3 lines in, and then you've got a line in and line out, which would be usable for cassette recorders. Anyway, that's the end of it. If you've got any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and see you another time. Bye bye.